Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an ultrasonic cleaner. So first, you want to fill it up with water. And take the tray out, this little basket out if you want. Don't have to. Regular tap water is fine, just don't leave it in there too long. Otherwise mineral deposits could form. Just a sec. Just a fill line right about there. You can put it up to there. Just don't go any near above it. Then put in your basket. Take this outside. Now guys, you can use regular water, but I'm going to use a little bit of dish soap. But what you want to do next, before you even do that, is you want to plug the power end into an outlet. And then plug the other end into the ultrasonic cleaner and flip the power switch. Now we're going to add our soap. You don't have to use soap, you can just use regular water if that's what you want to use, or any other solvent. That's okay for this. Just don't use anything flammable, because it could vaporize the gas. If you use gas or something flammable like that, it could vaporize it and then it could explode. So just don't use anything flammable. So next, you're gonna take your dirty part, you just put it inside the ultrasonic cleaner. You shut the lid, and then my specific one goes to 80 degrees Celsius for the heat. Yours might not have a heat setting, and it goes to 99 minutes. Then you hit this pulse button. And there you go. That is how you use an ultrasonic cleaner.